What's going on, everybody? It's 3 o'clock in the morning. I am tired. I was super excited about today's video. I just couldn't sleep. I was like laying in bed thinking about all the stuff we're gonna do. I'm exhausted, but the good news is it's a 7-hour drive to where we're going today. So I'm definitely able to get some shut-eye on the way there. Shout out to Dawn for driving. We're really excited. It's a 7-hour drive, like I said. So we have to leave bright and early, before the sun's even up, before the birds are up, before the rabbits are up. We got a long road ahead of us. I ain't too worried about it though. I like the journey and the destination. So we'll be hitting British Columbia for the first time on this channel. So I'm really excited about that. Who knows what we're gonna see. All right, we're about to hit the road. So we're about to get some McDonald's quick because it's the only thing open right now. I'm gonna pass out, and then yeah, we'll see you guys when we're on the road. I'll probably wake up before we get there. So hopefully I can film us going into the Rockies. Yeah, we'll catch you guys.
Have a good day.
I'm alive. I basically slept that entire trip. I slept for maybe 6 hours, which is really good. I'm really happy about that. Definitely worked out because I did not get any sleep the night prior. So we just made a little pit stop here at this nice little lake. We're just taking a little break, stretching our legs, stretching our arms and our backs. And then we got about 40 minutes before we get to our first destination. So this is just a little pit stop. It's really nice. There's a bug on my hand. Get out of here, little bug. Fish just jumped up right there. Oh man, it's taking every bone in my body not to go grab my rod. This is a perfect fishing spot, but we have bigger, better things to go see. So maybe on the way back, we'll stop here for a little bit because I really like this spot. Park right there, the main road's right there. And then access to the water's right here. So it's a perfect overnight spot, especially for like some nighttime fishing. All right, this looks like a better place to dip my feet. Yeah, a little bird. Hopefully I can actually wash my feet. Here we go. What is that? So you guys are probably wondering where we was at. We didn't actually bring him this time. We didn't want to have to worry about him. We want to just kind of be free roam, be able to do what we want and hang out and fish without having to worry about him. Just in case you missed him, play a clip of him right now. We're gonna hit the road. The water's beautiful, but this is nothing compared to what we're gonna see today. So let's get to it. You see where we're at. Life. That's all I gotta say. Allow me to make a proper intro for this video. The first intro was scuffed, but welcome to today's video. What a view. Today, we'll be fishing, waterfall hunting, hiking, checking out views, looking for wildlife, foraging, collecting, and everything else in between. We're currently on top of a mountain. We're on the beautiful, beautiful Tumbler Ridge, Canada, British Columbia, not in that order. Today's gonna be awesome. I'm super excited. Woke up at 3 o'clock, took about 7 hours to get here. It's gonna be awesome. Okay guys, so we're just getting some last minute necessities like sunscreen, bug spray, some protein bars, water. We got it all right here. So yeah, so we're just getting our last minute necessities, and then we're heading to about an hour hike through the forest to a really nice waterfall with a swimming pool at the bottom. So, all right, we'll catch you guys. So this is the hike we're gonna do. All the way up Waterfall. We just got here. We got about an hour hike, and it's about 1 o'clock, so we should get there around 2. I got my bear spray on lock, so we're good to go. All right, I'm excited. Let's do this. We're looking to catch a forest frog hopping around. We should be pretty lucky not to see anything. Is that it? Is that one of the falls? Hopefully I got enough battery for this. True. All right, we're closing up on the falls. Almost rolled my ankle, no big deal. Oh, what we got here? We made it. First waterfall checked off.
Close to the rock areas of this rock formation.
You know you can't have a good hike without a sketchy bridge. Yeah. All right, we're headed down the trail to the waterfall.
outside, so those water's about to feel nice. I'm just gonna go in with my shoes. Careful, there's loose rock right there. This is a great place to catch little things in little shallow pools like this. There's definitely a frog in here. If you guys remember our last episode, I didn't have any luck, but this time is gonna be different. You just watch. All right, it's time to take a swim, because I'm hot. All right, it's time to hang out. Let's do this. So we just got done walking through the river, but now we're headed to the next one. Yeah, we'll see you guys there. We finally got one. Frog.
Hello, my baby. Hello, my honey. Hello, my ragtime gal. Send me a kiss by wire. Baby, my heart's on fire.
Let me see your hands.
We found this awesome little river spot. We're gonna go and try to find somewhere to cook because we're hungry. It's probably around, I don't know, 3:30, 4, but we're gonna look for some cool stuff first. Yeah, this is the biggest waterfall in the area. All right, so we just made it to Canuso Falls, which is a massive, massive waterfall. So we're headed there right now. I don't know how far away, but I can already hear it. So it's probably gonna be massive, I hope. Really wanna go and try to find all the best waterfalls all over Canada. One place at a time. We're here? That's where we're going.
You have to see it. It's two separate rivers.
Oh, I got a tap on my hands. What's that noise? That's where we're headed. This is awesome. The biggest waterfall I've ever seen in my life. Let me show you these shots I'm about to get. I just found the best spot, the best view, top 3 I think of my whole life, honestly. Just wait till you guys see this right here. I'm gonna be honest, the camera does not do it justice at all. It is absolutely massive. I'm like lost of words. It's amazing. And you're so small, you know, it really humbles you as a person to see something so big and so massive and powerful. It reminds you how small we really are and how simple life can be. I can't come this close to that waterfall without touching the water. So let's do it. I'm dying. Oh my God. Just leave me here. Just leave me here. This is where I die. Straight incline. Oh my God. Good job, boo. Oh my God, this is tough. It's worth it though, worth it. All right, I'll see you guys at the top. Oh my, we made it. I thought that was gonna be my resting place, I'm not gonna lie. At one point I just said, don't look back, just leave me there. To whoever is watching and you're watching that and you go, oh my goodness, I wanna go see that waterfall. And if you have bad knees, bad ankles, or gravity's not on your side usually, not gonna have a good time. You have to basically army crawl, crank those quads all the way up. We made it, and AC and a chair has never felt so good, I'll tell you that much. Completely worth it. I'd do it 1,000 times to see that view again. I'm gonna catch my breath and pop my knees back into place, and then we'll see you guys. I'm holding onto this sandwich like it's my child. Weighs more than a child for sure. I got 2 footlongs. Why? Because burning calories, that's why. Burning calories. Got a pizza sub and I got a tuna sub full of veggies. There's really nothing else here to get. It's literally, it's like Subway's the only branded thing. If you're out here in Tumbler Ridge and you're hungry, cook at home or go to the hotel because they might have breakfast. Actually devour these sandwiches. It's like not even an exaggeration. Like I'm not even gonna record myself eating it because it's gonna be so horrific. My mouth is watering already. My mouth's about to look like that waterfall we were just going to. Now we got our food. Now we're gonna head back to the campsite and eat. Cut to us munching on these sandwiches. Oh yeah, fat guy on a quad. That's a sandwich. It can't even close. So we just got to our camping spot. Wait, is this coming out of my AirPod? I think it is. Yeah, so we just got to the camp spot. We're just organizing the car. I got my jig set up. Seeing a bunch of fish jumping out the water right now. So I have high hopes. Fingers crossed. Let me show you guys the setup real quick. So we're just doing a little bit of organizing. Just got all our stuff here. We're gonna go through it. Oh wait, my lens is dirty. Hold on. There we go. Got my jig set up. I just got a little bit of power bait on a little thing right there. We'll just see how that works. I'm gonna try a lot of new baits today. And I'm gonna try out some new things that I don't usually use. So this is gonna have to do. It's really nice. Don's over here. What you doing over here, Don? I see them jumping already. So we might got a little ghetto duck right here. Those are all bugs. All those little drops you see. That is a massive dragonfly. Okay, so we're gonna go try the dock. Super weedy over where we're at. It's dark and we're basically in the middle of nowhere.
Bye.
Say, fuck. He's like, well, looks like my days are numbered. This is a regular frog. This isn't a toad. This is your good old-fashioned. This is one of their natural food sources right here. Ooh, nice.
Alrighty, guys. I am nice and comfy. Probably gonna put like a blanket over the car. We're sleeping in the car. It's really comfy, actually. I love this thing. The covers are on. So I think what I'm gonna do for this episode is I'm gonna do a two-parter. This is gonna be episode 1. Yeah. All right, guys. Good night.